Well, that was a bit of a mind blow for me, I can tell you. I really went there. My word. All right. Oh my God. Oh, my word. What a potent thing that was. I can barely speak now. Next Sunday, we've got the therapist training. This is quite a small group, very intimate group. It's different to the other ones because we're working with sessions, how I do sessions on people. The first one was just to generally get the idea of how to teach the structures of holographic breathing, but I did an individual session in that, and each one I'll be giving someone an individual session, and people kind of are learning how to talk to people, come to the karma of whatever is happening, and then kind of channel a session using holographic breathing and talking to the organs and the energies. So we kind of upped the level in that, and I think that also is going to build into a very potent thing. It's a smaller number of people, but I think it needs to be honest, to hold it in that way. So if you want to come along to that is there.